Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a figs and dates burfi. Figs and dates burfi is a nutrient-packed, mouth-watering dessert recipe. It is very healthy as it has no added sugar and is loaded with dry fruits and nuts. This mouth-watering burfi is a perfect dessert during fasting or when you are craving for something sweet. And it is also known as the Iron Booster Burfi, which is very tasty and easy to make. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. We will need 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon ghee, 50 grams almonds, 50 grams cashews, 100 grams soaked dates, 100 grams soaked raisins, 250 grams soaked figs. All of the dry fruits in this recipe have been soaked for half an hour in warm water. And 1 tablespoon of saffron milk for flavour. First we're going to put all our figs in the blender to blend. Then we're going to blend our dates. As you can see, all our dry fruits are making different textures. Now our raisins. Now we're going to add half of our ghee to a heated pan, as we'll need some for later. And then we're going to add in our dry fruit mixture. Along with our crushed cashews and crushed almonds. Then mix it. We're going to mix this until the ghee starts separating from the mixture. This process will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Now that the colour of our mixture has changed a little bit and the ghee has started to separate, we're going to add the remaining ingredients. Our cardamom powder, our saffron milk, and then mix. Now that you can see, the colour of our mixture is quite dark and is quite easy to move. It's time to move on to the next step. We're going to grease a container and then put in our dry fruit mixture. As you can see that it is very hot, so we're going to flatten it out like this and then garnish it with some almond flakes before we leave it to cool for around 1 hour. Now that we have brought it down to room temperature, we're going to cut it. We're cutting it into some cubes, but you can make any kind of shape you want, for example, diamond shapes. And then it's time for plating. If you like these recipes, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!